Understanding the Human-Dog Bond by Lindsay Arthurs. This presentation will contain references to the book Inside of a Dog. Have you ever wondered why we have pet dogs and not pet skunks or chimpanzees? So why do we like dogs? First of all, they are relatable to people. Their limbs, we can relate to our limbs. We can relate their faces to ours, such as when a dog smiles, we easily interpret that as the dog's happy, whether that's accurate or not. And they fit into our lifestyles. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, energy levels. They're awake during the hours that we're awake, unlike other pets that are nocturnal, such as the hamster. They're social and trainable animals. They like to spend time with us, and we can train them different tasks that make our lives easier, such as being a service dog or a bomb sniffing dog, or just learning how to fetch the paper. They are very cute, and their distorted features remind us of infants, which we like to help. That's a quote from Inside of a Dog, and that's especially true with brachiocephalic breeds, where their smushed in noses and faces tend to remind people of babies in a way. So dogs evolved to bond with us. The evolution of the bond. So the evolution of a bond comes from two ideas. Ultimate bonding, which is the idea that it was an advantage for humans and wolves to be together because they could help with hunting, they were safer together. So when humans gathered in large groups, they could easily help each other have more access to food, reproduction, and they could help raise offspring. The same was true for wolves. And then proximate is this idea of what enforces the behavior of dogs when they were wolves being around people. So this could be touch. For example, the wolves liked being pet by people, which then led the wolves that were around people and then reproduced to have offspring that were more likely to enjoy also being touched by people. They liked greetings, and they were good at timing these interactions, such as knowing, oh, if I greet this person in the morning, I might get some food. So dogs evolved behaviors rather than learned them. So behaviors that dogs have evolved have increased their bond to people. And wolves crave each other's touch as puppies, and this carries on to dog puppies, such as dogs like to burrow their heads into people, lick people, and to show affection. This behavior strengthens the bond between the person and the dog. And not many other species are as touch-oriented as dogs. So here's a quote from the book. Through thousands of years, the wolves that tolerated humans became dogs who were better able to read human behavior than any other species. Dogs and humans co-evolved. We shaped them just as they shaped us. The domestication hypothesis is that this idea that dogs were domesticated for the traits they have and to be good at bonding with people, that you couldn't just raise a wolf puppy in a very social environment and it would end up being dog-like. So there is this study titled Cooperative Communication with Humans Evolved to Emerge Early in Dogs, which looked at dog and human wolf puppies 5 to 18 weeks old to see how they socialized with humans. And the study found that dog, but not wolf puppies, are attracted to humans and show early emerging skills for reading human gestures, even though the wolf puppies received more socialization, and that dog puppies were twice as likely than wolf puppies to be able to use human gestures correctly. And so this supports the domestication hypothesis that dogs have these traits because of domestication. They're not just simply better trained wolves. So the physiology between the dog and human bond, there's this quote, touch lowers heart rate, reduces stress hormones, and can calm a person in distress. So petting a dog lowers the human heart rate, it lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and it increases oxytocin production, which is a hormone responsible for happiness. One study titled The Presence of a Pet Dog is Associated with a More Balanced Response to a Social Stressor studied people undergoing a stress test both with and without a dog present, and they found that those with a dog present had a lower heart rate and cortisol compared to the control group. And there were people in the study that were not dog owners, so just having that dog around can help people to be less stressed. And so the bond benefits both people and dogs. It can also lower stress hormones in dogs when they spend time with people and are pet by people. And so here are my references. Thank you for watching.